In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a professional live broadcast from your browser and wrap it up cleanly without any hiccups. First, open your browser and head to StreamYard.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for new content. Click it, and when StreamYard asks what you want to make, choose Live Stream. That tells StreamYard you're planning to broadcast in real time rather than record privately. Next, select Studio. The Studio option means you'll be streaming directly with your camera and microphone inside StreamYard's interface, which keeps everything simple and in one place. Now choose your streaming destination. You'll see options like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other platforms you've already connected to your StreamYard account. Pick the place where your audience will be watching. If you stream to multiple platforms, you can choose the destination that best fits your content for this session. Enter your stream details. Give your broadcast a clear, compelling title, and add a concise description that tells viewers what to expect. This helps your audience decide to click in and watch. When you're happy with the details, click Create Live Stream. StreamYard will set up a dedicated broadcast page for you. It's time to enter the studio. Click Enter Studio, and take a moment to check your camera and microphone. Make sure the correct devices are selected, your framing looks good, and your audio levels are clear. A quick sound check and a glance at your lighting go a long way toward a professional result. If you're using headphones, put them on now to reduce echo. When you're ready to begin, press Go Live in the top right corner. StreamYard will connect to your chosen destination and start your broadcast. Give it a beat as the stream initializes, then confidently greet your viewers and begin your content. If you need to reference your title or description, they're visible on your destination platform, so keep your message aligned with what you promised. When you're finished, click End Stream. Confirm if prompted, and your broadcast will stop on your selected destination. Take a breath. That's the whole process from start to finish. And that's it. You've just gone live in StreamYard, from logging in to ending the stream. With this simple workflow, you're ready to deliver smooth, reliable broadcasts whenever you need them.